Bitch, she was thirsty.
What's up, boys? Today we're going to Guatemala Park waterfalls in Royal National Park in southern Australia near Sydney. Okay, so we're gonna go jump this waterfall there. I'll show you that.
Yeah, I mean, I gotta put it down the line.
Yeah, I know, but that's the spot, dude. We have to trespass for it, but look to your right. We can hit over there, too. There's a little cove
That
right
ain't
there.
much of a fucking beat.
But no, dude. Hold on. Yeah, go for it. Oh,
Is it bad?
not too bad. Not as bad as I thought it would be.
Oh.
Well, boys, sorry we didn't get a lot of clips. We got booted out by security for jumping it because people have died there. No one can have any fun anywhere. So that'll be the end of this video. Sorry it wasn't better or longer, but, you know, our fun was ended. But hey, I'll catch you in the next one. He backflops, so his back hurts.